Is your organization truly secure, or just compliant on paper? In today's digital world, real cybersecurity isn't just about tools, it starts with structure, clarity, and a strong foundation. And that foundation begins with 3 essential documents every organization must have. Today, I'm going to show you how to create and maintain a system security plan, your SSP, and why it's the backbone of your entire security program. If you're handling sensitive data, preparing for a CMMC or NIST audit, or following any compliance framework, this video is for you. Let's start with the basics. Your system security plan is the blueprint of your cybersecurity environment. It explains how your organization meets required controls, who is responsible for maintaining them, how systems are structured, and how risks are managed. A strong SSP helps you demonstrate compliance with standards like NIST SP 800-171 or ISO 27001, prepare for audits with confidence, and keep your security program aligned as technology and threats evolve. Without an SSP, it's nearly impossible to prove, or even know, whether your security program meets required standards. Next, let's talk about why your organization needs an SSP. A well-built SSP helps you identify security gaps before they become vulnerabilities, prioritize investments, support incident response efforts, and demonstrate due diligence to clients and regulators. It isn't just a compliance requirement, it's a strategic tool that helps you protect your systems, your people, and your business. Now, let's walk through how to create a strong SSP. Step 1 is defining your system boundary. Clearly identify the networks, devices, users, applications, and data types that are in scope. This determines which controls and requirements apply to your environment. Step 2 is identifying the correct compliance framework, whether it is NIST 800-171, CMMC, ISO 27001, or another standard, and mapping the appropriate control families. Step 3 is documenting your system environment. This includes your hardware and software, your architecture, connectivity, and how data flows through your organization. Auditors need this context to understand how your systems operate. Step 4 is outlining your security controls. For each requirement, document what control is in place, who owns it, whether it is fully implemented, planned, or not applicable, and what evidence exists to support it. This forms the core of your SSP. Step 5 is creating your plan of action and milestones, your POA&M. If anything is not fully implemented, you must document it here along with your remediation plan. And Step 6 is reviewing and validating your SSP. This should involve security teams, IT, compliance officers, and leadership. Nothing in your SSP should ever be based on assumptions. Now, let's talk about maintaining your SSP. Your SSP is not a one-time task. It is a living document that must evolve with your organization. Review it at least quarterly, and update it whenever significant changes occur. After every audit or internal assessment, update your SSP to reflect findings and improvements. Maintain version control and ensure your SSP aligns with your policies and standard operating procedures. And finally, make sure your team understands their responsibilities. A well-maintained SSP reflects your environment today, not last year. Before we wrap up, here are common mistakes to avoid. Do not treat the SSP as a one-time deliverable. Do not copy generic templates without customizing them. Do not ignore incomplete controls or skip updating your POA&M. Do not overcomplicate the language, and never store your SSP without proper access controls. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your SSP remains accurate and defensible. Creating and maintaining a system security plan isn't just about meeting regulatory obligations. It's about building a culture of accountability and continuous improvement. A strong SSP gives leadership visibility into real risks, guides smart security investments, and demonstrates that your organization takes compliance seriously. If you haven't reviewed or updated your SSP recently, now is the perfect time to start. A living, accurate SSP is one of the most powerful tools for strengthening your cybersecurity and compliance foundation. If you're ready to move beyond basic checkbox compliance and build a security foundation you can trust, TandT LLC is here to help. Book your free 15-minute discovery call today. The link is in the description below. You can also email us at contact@tandtllc.com or visit our website www.tandtllc.com for expert guidance and support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical strategies to strengthen your compliance and security posture.